Today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your OfferUp. All you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list. And all you have to do, just go down here. Here you're looking for OfferUp, or you just go up of search. Then you add here OfferUp. Click on it. So then you come to this list, click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage. Then you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, just restart your phone. Then start it again. Then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.